Hey everyone, it's attorney Bianca Jordan from brazenlegal.com. Today's video is about the decision to extend TPS for Haiti, El Salvador, Nicaragua, Sudan, Honduras, and Nepal. So earlier this week, the government announced that it was going to be extending TPS for El Salvador until January 4th, 2021. And it would also be providing an additional 365 days at the end of the TPS related lawsuit for El Salvadorians to depart the United States. Today, the Department of Homeland Security announced that it would be extending similar benefits to people with TPS from Haiti, El Salvador, Nicaragua, Nepal, Honduras, and Nepal, and Sudan. And so TPS for those countries will now end on January 4th, 2021 as well, which means that the work cards will also be extended until January 4th, 2021. The only difference is that for El Salvadorians, they will be given an additional 365 days to depart the United States at the conclusion of TPS-related lawsuits, whereas TPS for TPS beneficiaries of Nepal, Honduras, Sudan, Haiti, and Honduras will be given 120 days. So what this means, if you currently have TPS, definitely speak to an immigration attorney if you haven't already. Take advantage of this time to discover what other immigration options you might have. Maybe you can get a green card. Maybe you qualify for another benefit. Definitely use this time to speak with an immigration attorney to figure out what your immigration options are. I have a page dedicated to this topic on my website. I'll actually post a link to that in the comments of this video. And also, a lot of people have been asking me about their driver's licenses, especially people in Massachusetts. It really depends on what state you're in. If you have TPS and your driver's license has expired, depending on what state you live in, you might be able to renew it. Other states you might not. In Massachusetts, the only way you can renew your driver's license is if you show that you have authorization to be in the United States for at least 12 months. So those of you that have TPS from these countries, use this time. If you need to renew your driver's license, definitely do that because you'll be able to show that you have an additional year of authorization in the United States. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other questions about your TPS status or your immigration status or any other questions regarding immigration, please feel free to reach out to me. You can go to brazenlegal.com to learn more about me, my law firm, and how I can help you with your immigration cases this year. Thanks for watching.